All right, so give it up for Kosi. That's right. This is Kosi Solchukwu. Give it up for her. Kosi Solchukwu. Thanks a lot for sending in your middle name, Ifeoma, for today's Igbo name of the day, right? So Ifeoma, we're gonna translate that name together. Everybody ready? All right, cool. So Ifeoma. So let's break that down. So Ife means thing, basically a thing or something, right? Just like the subject of like what you're about to talk about next. And Oma means good or beautiful, something desired, like just anything positive, right? So you put those two together and you get Ifeoma, beautiful, basically, or something good, or a beautiful thing, or a great thing, right? It's just a way to describe something that you really like. You know what I'm saying? It's like, I guess, just like calling someone beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so it's just basically like calling someone beautiful, right? Ifeoma's names give them the power to be full of life, positive, and they have a great sense of style and fashion. Tag and share this video with all the Ifeomas that you know. Thanks. Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so Ifeoma, a short version for that name is Ifi, right? So Ifi or Ifeoma, tag and share this with all the Ifis or the Ifeomas that you know. What do you think? What do you think about this name? Are you expecting a child, maybe a baby girl, and you want to think of a good name for that child? Are there things that you would want to speak into that child's life or have manifest into their life? If you have an idea for a name, right? Hit me up in my Instagram DM below. My Instagram is linked below, and I can give you the closest Igbo name to that meaning, right? If you would like your very own Igbo name, I can give you an Igbo name based off of traits that you have on the Igbo name of the day, giveaway. And if you already are Igbo, I can feature your name on this series, the Igbo name of the day, right? So thanks a lot. I really appreciate you guys supporting this channel. All your likes and comments go a long way. If you, because it helps the YouTube algorithm, you know, the more you engage. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you did not like watching this video, then just tap it really lightly instead. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I post a new video. Any of these names that you want, right, you'll get a notification whenever I post a video. You'll be the first to know. And in my culture, we believe that the names, whenever someone calls your name, you're kind of speaking into existence and manifesting and invoking the power that that name gives you, because our names, you know, have like literal meanings basically in our language, you know, kind of like in English, the words like grace and hope and faith. Those are like, you know, words in the English language that you know the meaning of. That's what our names are like. The only thing is that in addition, they're kind of like phrases or sentences and things like that, and like just hidden deeper meanings. So again, share this with anyone who would be interested, and comment down below and let me know what you think about this series. Thanks a lot for supporting this YouTube channel that highlights Igbo, Nigerian, African names. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.